Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your PlayStation 5 is randomly turning off with your TV when you power it on or off. Now, to do this on my PlayStation 5, I want to go up to the top and then go on over to Settings and select this and go on down to System. Now, under here, let's go to HDMI, and then go to the right and go to HDMI Device Link. And then you can uncheck mark this, and your TV will no longer be linked to your PS5. Now, one of the coolest things about this is I can actually use my TV remote to control my PlayStation 5. So if we turn off device link, we won't be able to operate our TV remote for our PlayStation 5 now. So I'm going to leave this actually turned on. Then we have enable one-touch play. If you turn on your PS5, the connected device will also turn on and switch to the input of the PS5. Then it says enable power off link. If you turn off the device connected to your PS5 will enter rest mode. So if your PS5 is randomly turning off, turn off power off link right here. Then on my TV settings, I'm going to go to my Amazon Fire TV settings, and it's going to be a little bit different for you, but I want to go over to settings, then go on down and go to where it says display and sound. And I'm looking for an option called HDMI CEC device control right here. Then go to it. It could be AnyNet Plus or device link on your TV as well. Then go to where it says power control or some sort of option similar. And this says use your TV to turn on and off your connected devices. So you could completely turn this off as well. And then you could leave this option on. It's called remote control pass-through. Use your TV remote to control devices from other inputs. So this allows me to use my remote on my PS5 now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.